What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I don't even need to say it, but I'm in a good mood to make some beats with you guys today, you feel me? So I hope you have your laptop ready. I got mine right here. That way you just like learn the most out of this video, you feel me? If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. What are you waiting for? Already here, so might as well click that subscribe button, you feel me? Also make sure to stick around till the end because I'm listening to some beats again at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around for that as well. I might listen to your beats, who knows, using the hashtag #SkanaBeats underneath your Instagram post. So let's get it. Right now we're going to just drown it in reverb. So what I'm going to do now is, maybe you saw it in my previous videos, but I'm going to sample this right here, like the tail of the delay, and see if we can like make something unique with it. First off, I'm going to pitch this up, see how that sounds, and then I'm going to reverse this. Ooh, okay, that's sounding nice. Just like something really smooth for like in the background, like sort of like a pad, but it's just like going on and on and on, you feel me? Just like for some extra texture, let's just add some extra effects, like some chords maybe, or some delay to like the main chords we already have. Okay, that is sounding pretty nice, really ambient and wavy. Super wavy. How did we make this? Me and you. Sometimes I don't even know how I made some certain samples, bro. It's crazy. So right now I'm structuring the melody, and I just like reverse this guitar right here that we just made, just for like an extra switch up, and see how that sounds. what yo. Like in Belgium we say what yo if it's like super crazy, like I couldn't hold my tongue, but gee, holy, this sounding super dope. Like I ain't even playing, I think this shit sounds super fire. I might be tripping, but bro, wow, crazy. Bro, this sample is crazy. Like it's all in key. Like I didn't like change anything about the drum pattern and like the 808 pattern, and like even the melody just sound different, like it's pitched in a different key, if that makes sense. Like this part right here without like the pad makes it feel like it's in a different key, but really it's just like in key. Like you can hear it on the 808 pattern, it all is like in key, but it just sounds different. Like this explanation is just out of this world, just like this beat. But right now we're finna listen to some beats. You guys are using the hashtag CLA beats, so let me see what you guys posted. 150 posts, god damn, it's going up. Really appreciate you guys, like thank you so much. Like wow, there's a lot. Okay, and right now this drill, Sean Kingston Beautiful Girl drill remix. Okay, okay, I see you. Okay, I fucking love this, bro. Like really original, bro. I really love this. What else do we got? Another cook up. I love these type of like videos where you can like see who like actually is producing, so keep that in mind. This from Prep by Crash. See what he's cooking up. Nice little setup. Yeah. I'ma shoot it in it. I got 20 on it. I'm a bond, yeah. Oof. I can definitely hear like Lil Durk or something on this beat, bro. Sounding super nice, super fire. Keep working, my G. Keep working. Okay, let's listen to one more. This one is from Dave Beats. Since we're making spacey beats, there's space in. Oh, I love that counter melody. It sounds like Lil Tecca type of stuff, bro. Damn, that is super hard. It made me like want to freestyle, but I'm like I'm out of lyrics, bro, today, so my bad. But like thank you so much guys for like supporting me and just like using the hashtag CLA beats. Like if you want me to listen to your beats in the next video, make sure to put hashtag CLA beats underneath your Instagram post, and I might listen to yours. So if you're already there on Instagram, make sure to follow me at CLA beats. You feel me? Like always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.